Hey girlies! Welcome back to your cozy corner of self-love and care. Today we're diving into a simple yet effective skincare routine that's perfect for teens. Your skin deserves all the love and care, especially since teenage skin is more sensitive than adults. So let's make your skin glow with confidence and happiness. Taking care of your skin is so important, especially during your teenage years. Your skin is going through changes and it's more sensitive. So using the right products can make a big difference. A good skincare routine helps keep your skin healthy, clear, and glowing. Plus, it's a great way to practice self-care and boost your confidence. Before we jump into the routine, let's talk about skin types. Understanding your skin type is key to choosing the right products. If you have oily skin, look for products that control oil and prevent breakouts. For dry skin, hydrating products are your best friends. Combination skin needs a balance, something that hydrates without making your T-zone too oily. And if you have sensitive skin, go for gentle, fragrance-free products. But I would recommend to all the teenagers to look for products that are formulated for sensitive skin and have natural ingredients like aloe vera and honey for a gentle yet effective treatment. And for this, skincare by Forever Living Products would be the best option. You can get the link in my description for discounts. First things first, cleansing. Start with a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. This helps remove dirt, oil, and makeup, leaving your skin fresh and clean. Remember, it's important to cleanse your face twice a day, in the morning and before bed. Gently massage the cleanser into your skin using circular motions, then rinse with lukewarm water. Be gentle, no scrubbing. Next up, toning. A good toner helps to balance your skin's pH levels and remove any leftover impurities. Just a few drops on a cotton pad, swipe it gently across your face, and you're good to go. Opt for alcohol-free toners to avoid irritation. Exfoliating is an important step to remove dead skin cells and keep your skin smooth. However, be careful not to over-exfoliate, as this can irritate your skin. Once or twice a week is enough. Here are some easy and effective homemade scrubs. Sugar and honey scrub. Mix 1 tablespoon of sugar with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply gently in circular motions and rinse off with lukewarm water. Mix 1 tablespoon of ground oatmeal with water to make a paste. Apply gently and rinse off. These scrubs are natural and gentle, perfect for sensitive teenage skin. Moisturizing is key to keeping your skin hydrated and soft. Choose a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer that won't clog your pores. Here are some tips for different skin types. For dry skin, look for products with hyaluronic acid or glycerin. For oily skin, gel-based moisturizers work best. Sensitive skin benefits from fragrance-free and hypoallergenic products. Acne-prone skin should use moisturizers with salicylic acid or tea tree oil. Apply it evenly over your face and neck and let your skin soak up all that goodness. Don't forget sunscreen. Protecting your skin from the sun is crucial to prevent damage and premature aging. Use a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher and apply it generously. Reapply every 2 hours if you're out in the sun. Even if you're indoors, sunscreen is a must. For sensitive skin, choose a mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. Got a pesky pimple? Spot treatments to the rescue. Use a product with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide to target those breakouts. Just a small amount on the affected area will do the trick. Remember, less is more. Overusing spot treatments can dry out your skin. For a natural remedy, try dabbing a bit of tea tree oil on the pimple. Icing your face can reduce puffiness and tighten your skin. Wrap an ice cube in a soft cloth and gently rub it over your face for a few minutes. Be careful not to apply ice directly to your skin, as this can cause irritation. Icing is especially effective in the morning to wake up your skin and give it a fresh, healthy glow. Don't forget your lips. Keep them soft and hydrated with a good lip balm. For a natural option, you can use coconut oil or shea butter. Gently exfoliate your lips once a week with a mixture of sugar and honey to remove dead skin. A few important tips. Always patch test new products to avoid any reactions. Apply a small amount on your inner arm and wait 24 hours to see if there's any irritation. Less is more. Don't overload your skin with too many products. And remember, consistency is key. Stick to your routine and give your skin time to adjust and improve. Avoid harsh scrubs and hot water as they can damage your skin barrier. Your skin is unique, just like you. Embrace your journey and be patient with yourself. You are beautiful inside and out, and taking care of your skin is just one way to show yourself some love. Every day is a chance to start fresh, so smile because you are amazing just the way you are. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Remember, self-care is the best care. Until next time, stay radiant and confident.